and welcome to my theme hanger. Today a short video about the electronics of my oxygen regulator panel. It's more or less finished. The electronics are done. Everything is seen as a joystick input. For example, if I move the regulator potentiometer here, you can see the axis 3 moving. The switches are connected as joystick buttons. The middle position of the 3-position switch is button 23, I guess, and if I move it to any other position, button 22 or button 24 gets activated. There's an additional function for the on switch. If I move the on switch into the on position, button 20 gets activated, and also the indicator starts to show some values. Since there are no values from the sims at the moment, the needle will move according to the movement of the potentiometer. So you can see axis 3 values change and the value of the needle changes also. If I put the switch back to the off position, the display also goes to the 0 position. The whole setup also includes the buttons for the anti-ice already. That's why you see the buttons 11, 14 and 17 activated too. So hopefully I will be able to finish this as soon as possible, and it will be available on my GitHub. Bye.